Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. Wanted to get you a quick video on installing Wedi. Wedi is a product we use for our showers. It's a complete watertight system. Today we are going to show you a little bit of how we do a typical shower. So we're going to show you the pan first out here right now, and then we'll take you in and show you how we install the walls, how we seal them all up, and how we cut them and get them kind of prepped and ready. So today the first thing we're going to show you here is this pan right here. This pan's a little bit different than our normal pans. The client wanted a single slope, which is one of the big advantages I have with Wedi, is that we have multiple ways that we can slope the pans and different designs that we can do. I'm going to use a little cordless battery operated circular saw. I have found that in multiple pans and Wedi installations that we've done that it's actually just easiest just to cut straight through it. So you can see we made the first cut. I measured 3 times just to make sure we made the right cut, 54.5. With these pans, you'll see on the sides that there's a cutout for where the wall panels are going to actually inset to those, so we can get a nice tight seal. So the next step I got to do is actually make that same relief cut on the back side. I found that this battery operated saw does the best for what I need to do. And I've found as well that you can just use a slide, stop, and make the same repeatable cut over and over if you needed to. And now we just need to make the relief cut on the back. And again, you can use the saw for that. You can use a knife, a utility knife, a razor blade. We've got our boards cut already. We got our pan in. So now the thing that's left is I've got a few screws in. I'm going to show you how quick and easy screwing it off can be. You've got the washer and the screw that they come included, and we've already got everything marked where we know our joists or studs are. Using the washer is what's going to hold all of your parts and pieces together. So you want to make sure you're not going too deep, just enough to kind of break the surface. But the whole part of Wedi that makes a completely watertight system is the sealant. So once you've got your screws on, you're going to put a little dab on each of the screw heads and the washers and fill in those holes. And then I just take a simple putty knife. I've covered it in tape so I can keep using it, because this stuff is pretty sticky and pretty gross once it dries on you. And then basically you just go over, you fill in all the holes, you make sure you got everything nice and smooth. Make sure there's no holes left over for water to get in. So I usually go in all 4 directions. And the other big advantage here is you use the same stuff in the corners. So you'll see I've already put some in on the corner before I set this sheet. And now I'm just going to do a topical. And then I'm going to take just a sheetrock corner that again I've covered in blue tape. And I'm just going to run it straight down all the way to the corner and back up, and now my seams are done. So this is Wedi. It's a product I love using now. It's a complete watertight system. I don't do any waterproofing anymore. I can put water in this pan and leave it for days and show the client that it is completely watertight. So if you'd like to have a Wedi shower system in your bathroom, give us a call, let us know how we can help. Thanks for checking us out.